How to change clothes in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Canva, and first let's see the easiest way. And for this, just simply open up any picture of your choice where you want to change the clothes. Suppose I want to change the color of this t-shirt to black, so I will just simply select it, then click on the option of edit photo, and after that I will select the option of magic edit. And over here, this is how it will appear. Now I need to select the t-shirt over here. Just select the t-shirt and nothing else. So let me select it, but be careful while selecting it. So after you're done with selection, just simply click on this option of continue, and here describe it as the change t-shirt color to black, and then just simply click on this option of generate and wait for it to do its magic. And after waiting for just around 1 minute or even lesser than that, you will be able to see that you can change the color of your t-shirt. After that, just simply select. There are various variations over here. You can select any of them, and this one seems pretty real, so I will select this one and click on done. And this is how you can change the color of t-shirt on Canva. Now let's check another method, and for that, just simply add the t-shirt of your choice. So let's select this one again, and this time you need to click on this option of edit photo, and then select the option of background remover and remove the background, and this is how it will appear. Now just simply open up the additional features of background removal, and now remove everything over here except the t-shirt. So let me zoom it up. Do it carefully to not remove the t-shirt, and here we go, we are done. Now this can be removed quite easily. Now let's remove the hands. You can also adjust the brush size accordingly. Small brush is required in order to remove the corners in a better and efficient manner. Let's do it for this one also. Now we can increase the size. Now it is quite easy to remove the hand over here. It might take a little while to do it, but just be patient with it, as you can ruin all of your hard work. So after you are done with the removal of everything except the t-shirt, just get back, and this is how it will appear. Now just save this particular image as PNG. So we just download it as PNG, and make sure that you are doing it with transparent background, and just simply download it. And after it is downloaded, you can upload the original one again. Get it on the forward side. If you are not able to select properly the layers, then just simply select click on the layers and select the layer specifically, then click on this option of edit photo. And also, in case if you're not able to resize it properly, you can just simply select it and resize it according to the size of your original image. And after that, over here, select the option of duotone. Just simply click on it, and here you can find various colors. Just simply click on them, and you can also change the colors accordingly, and it will change on the image. So this is how you will be able to change the clothes on Canva. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.